हाँ, तो वही स्टैट्यूटरी क्या होता है, नॉन स्टैट्यूटरी क्या होता है, ठीक है। हाँ, तो पहले ये दोनों है आपका शुरुआती, प्लानिंग कमीशन, फिर एनडीसी, उसके बाद फिर आ जाता है आपका क्या, विच इज लेस इम्पोर्टेंट, ठीक है, बट फिर भी हम लोग एक बार चेक कर लेंगे। हाँ, ठीक है, कर लेंगे चेक, सब क्यों छोड़ना, लेकिन 5 ईयर से क्वेश्चन आएगा नहीं, ठीक है। उसके बाद फिर आपका प्लानिंग कमीशन की जगह पे कौन आया, कौन सी बॉडी आई, याद है? दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है वो देख के आएंगे। इधर ध्यान दीजिए, सुमित और रजनीश, हाँ, इसीलिए बोलना पड़ गया है, इसीलिए बोल रहे पड़ गया है। हाँ, तो नीति आयोग और एनडीसी अलग अलग है, ये अभी एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं। प्लानिंग कमीशन के जगह पे नीति आयोग आया, ठीक है। हाँ, प्लानिंग कमीशन और एनडीसी का डिफरेंस उसमें 4 टॉपिक होता है। मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, नीति आयोग, हाँ, ठीक है। प्लानिंग कमीशन की जगह नीति आयोग आया था, और इन दोनों का डिफरेंस, प्लानिंग कमीशन और एनडीसी, जब प्लानिंग कमीशन था तो नीति आयोग क्यों फॉर्म हुआ, ठीक है, ये आपको जानना जरूरी है, वो देख के आएंगे। फिर 1947 से लेकर के 1999 तक इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी, क्या क्या हुआ, क्या नया हुआ, क्या डिफरेंट हुआ सारे इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी में, वो देख के आएंगे। चैप्टर खत्म। हो पाएगा वो, आप रिस्ट्रिक्शन अपने आप को रिस्ट्रिक्ट मत करिए, हम लोग इतनी बार रिवीजन कर चुके हैं, आपका एग्जाम भी हो चुका है ना, टेस्ट तो हुआ है ना आप लोगों का, इंटरनल भी हो चुका है, मार्क्यू भी कई बार दे चुके हैं इस चैप्टर का, तो रटा हुआ है, बस आपको रिवीजन कर, दोबारा रिकॉल करना है सब। फर्स्ट चैप्टर आपका खत्म हो जाएगा। सेकेंड चैप्टर में आइए, सेकेंड चैप्टर में एमआरटीपी, क्यों जरूरत पड़ी भाई ऐसे एमआरटीपी को लाने की, क्या हो रहा था पहले जो ये हमको एक्ट लाना पड़ा। कोई चीज आता है तो रीजन की वजह से ही आता है ना, तो ये रीजन पहले आप जानेंगे क्यों एमआरटीपी आना पड़ा, लाना पड़ा, ठीक है। कौन सी ईयर में आया ये देखेंगे आप लोग, ठीक है। फिर एमआरटीपी अभी कुछ नहीं बताना है, मैं बस आप लोग को आउटलाइनिंग बता रही हूँ क्या क्या देख के आना है आप लोग। उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था, ठीक है। एमआरटीपी चलो ठीक है, ये रीजन की वजह से फॉर्म हुआ एमआरटीपी एक्ट आपका। फिर उसका क्या टारगेट क्या था, मेन मोटिव क्या था, टोटल 4 ऑब्जेक्टिव है, वो देख के आएंगे, ठीक है। उसके बाद 3 ऑब्जेक्टिव था को प्रोहिबिट करना, तो वो तीनों का क्या है क्राइटेरिया, एमआरटीपी, आपका आरटीपी क्या होता है, यूटीपी क्या होता है, ठीक है, वो पूरा दे करके आएंगे आप। उसके बाद कौन सी बॉडी है, हाँ, गवर्निंग बॉडी कौन सी है जो चेक करती है एमआरटीपी एक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, हाँ। फिर उसका टेन्योर, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा। तो ये सब चीज आप लोग को देख के आना, और एक बच्चा आंसर दे ये बर्दाश्त नहीं। रिवीजन क्लास में सबका आंसर आना चाहिए, एक बच्चा सारा आंसर दे रहा है बाकी सब मुंह देख रहे हैं, वो नहीं चलेगा रिवीजन, ठीक है। पढ़ के आइए, जिससे मैं पूछूंगी वो बताएं, ठीक है। इससे क्या हुआ कि आपका दिमाग वर्क करे, सिर्फ प्रवचन नहीं सुनेंगे आप, रिवीजन में आप लोग एक्टिव होंगे। आप समझ आया? 3 तारीख से रिवीजन चालू, 3 तारीख सबको प्रेजेंट रहना है, समझ आ गया? और एक्टिव मोड में प्रेजेंट रहना है। और अब जो हम लोग का जो टॉपिक था आज का, क्वालिफिकेशन वर्सेस एक्सपीरियंस, सबका हो चुका है, टाइम तो उसी दिन मिल गया था प्रिपरेशन का। तैयार है? शुरू किया जाए? डरपोक हैं आप लोग, लेते लीजिए 5 मिनट और लीजिए, 10:30 में शुरू करेंगे। और आगे स्टार्ट करो आज। Good morning, everyone. I am Ranjit. Today we have to discuss about qualification versus experience. I am favored experience. Experience can hit the ground. Experience means that we can hit the ground running. Beta. you bring to search your country.
Okay, good topic. Experience means when we have a qualification, we find a job, but when we don't have a better experience for that work, we thrown out from that organization. What is your opinion, Ankit?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ankit, and I am in the favor of experience because several times happens when qualification does not matter a lot as compared to experience. Because with the help of experience, you can do whatever you want. So that's all about my side. What about you?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Abdul. Today's topic is qualification versus experience. I'm in the favor of experience because I see in our surrounding, mostly people we are not they are not well qualified, but their experience work very well for their living. For also they doing jobs very clearly for their experience with their experience. Next.
Hi everyone. I'm also in the favor of experience because in the era of technology, we can afford a qualification certificate, and we going to a company, they recruit me in the best of experience. I know qualification matters, but I think experience based people can stay on like this. What's your opinion?
Hello everyone, I am Seema, and today's topic is qualification versus experience. According to me, experience is more valuable and important than qualification. Because nowadays everyone asks for experience. Because experience is experience. When we use our experience in any places, they work, but such places qualifications are also important. But in my point of view, that experience is more valuable than qualification. What's about?
Good morning, everyone. I am Vinita. My opinion, I am in favor of experience. Experience is very, very important. Anything. जैसे हम कोई वर्क करते या फिर किसी भी जॉब के लिए जाते हैं तो क्वालिफिकेशन जरूरी होता है, उसके अलावा एक्सपीरियंस भी इम्पोर्टेंट होता है.
Good morning, everyone. Today we have discussed qualification versus experience. I agree with Seema and Vinita because experience is the most important. Experience is most important in any field. Experience develop skills of any work. Qualification is important, but experienced men are very responsible and any work done कोई भी काम को अच्छे ढंग से करते हैं जिसके पास एक्सपीरियंस होता है.
कोई वर्ड जिसके इंग्लिश ना पता है. Try. कोशिश करिए। काम का इंग्लिश, काम का इंग्लिश तो अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं तो अच्छा का इंग्लिश
Good work.
how to say that, finish the sentence.
If यदि कोई भी आदमी के पास
वो समझ गए, say in English ना।
if थोड़ा सा
तो बताया तो वर्क का इंग्लिश आप जान रहे हैं, वर्क
और तो कोई
Good.
भी मतलब
एनी पर्सन, कोई भी एनी पर्सन।
if any person have a good experience, so वो they are
दे सही बोल रहे हैं, आगे दे
they are good work. What is it?
they can work properly, they can work in good manner, किसी भी तरह से बोल सकते हो। Okay, now online student, you are also in favor of experience or what?
Hello,
Experience, ma'am.
How many are in favor of qualification?
नहीं हमें कोई आइडिया।
Everyone is in favor of experience.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am both qualification and experience.
Okay, proceed.
Can I?
Hmm.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Durgesh here. I think lots of students are said in class their own opinion, qualification percent experience, but I think the qualification and experience both are matters. I think qualification is the backbone of experience. Qualification and experience are more parallel to each other because a higher education offers you a particular set of skill which you can further convert into work skill to move away in your career. Work experience not always give you the right skill, but you need to thrive in your industry. It can be only mastered with time. So I think in the recent time, in this era, qualification and experience are both in your life.
You all think of the point in favor of qualification. You four. Think in favor of qualification. आप लोग qualification पे point सोच के रखिए। समझ आया? जितने लोग रहेंगे एक्सपीरियंस में, आप लोग में कैलिबर है, तुरंत आप लोग स्विच कर सकते हैं। थिंक ऑफ द क्वालिफिकेशन के लिए पॉजिटिव पॉइंट सोचिए। रिया।
Yes, ma'am. Hi, everyone. I am Leah. Today's topic qualification based experience, but I am favoring experience, an opportunity to explore possible career options. You will develop your transferable skills. You will get to get things out. It makes you more transferable, improvable. Thank you so much.
What you said. Srishti.
Hello everyone, my name is Srishti Kumar Singh and I am in favor of experience. Qualification is good, but in practical experience gives you a true understanding of any field. So I prefer experience is much better than qualification. What is your opinion, Ruchi?
Hello, everyone. My name is Ruchi, and in my opinion, experience is better than qualification because increase self-understanding, maturity, independence, and self-confidence increase motivation to continue study. So, experience is better than qualification.
You will discuss now. They all will speak. Speaker.
Hi everyone. I am from the side of qualification.
Don't say opinion, just question them. They have got everyone's opinion. Start counting them.
Ruchi said, experience is better than qualification, but point, but I want to add some point in the your qualification. If we don't have qualified from a better college, we, we don't get a chance, we don't get a chance to go to the government job or government company because they need qualifications and
Very good. Very relevant point. If you don't have qualification, how come you can qualify in any of this job, whether it is government or any private job even?
what's your opinion, Ruchi?
Sure, word or not? Before we can. Do you also go on first mention?
Are you listening, Ruchi? Hello, Ruchi.
Okay, fine, if you're not there, throw the question to all those.
Isha ma'am leave कर Ruchi leave कर
हाँ, throw the question to any of them. Everyone point is
What's
here.
your point? Qualification or experience?
Everyone is in favor of experience. Both is in favor of experience.
And also there are many companies who recruit their employee only for their higher qualification. And also the one more benefit of qualification is if you have a higher qualification, then the relative respect you more.
But you don't have better experience, then they also but the qualification is important, but you have no better experience. Then how can you deal with the work?
So let me answer this. If you have a higher qualification, then you automatically gain some experience while acquiring the knowledge about that higher degree. For example, if you're doing MBA from top school of India, just like SIBM, IIMs, and many more, you are acquiring knowledge and experiences also.
You may say that both are important in every place.
Yes.
Okay, I agree with that.
He is telling that if you have higher qualification, let me clarify more that if you are doing MBA or DBA from any of the vocational course school.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there you are given the induction program and all, sorry, not induction, the project work are given.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, industry visits are there. So these are all what?
I want to add some point in the favor of Ankit. If we start, sorry.
लैपटॉप पे यानी हो जाएगा ऐसा रखिए जो लैपटॉप कवर है
If we start a job in the freshers, the companies give me training time, so we can experience a lot of things in the training time, and that we also get experience and qualification. Yes, ma'am.
Internship program is also there.
Yes.
Discuss that.
I had some points also. When we doing our BBA course, we also get opportunity to get internship 1 month or 2 months by studying in our college, and we also get from their experience also.
But there are some students who cannot understand, like some students who don't
Who don't get the possibility of internship.
जैसे कि कुछ बच्चे ठीक से नहीं पढ़ते हैं आगे डिग्री तो उनको एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हो पाता देन उन्हें आगे चलकर प्रॉब्लम्स होती है जब वो एक्सपीरियंस और ट्रेनिंग में जाते हैं तो
When they do not study properly, then they also not qualified. Then in examination time, he
You will not get admission on this. That is the point you want to speak.
एग्जाम में जब उनके पास वर्ड को पढ़ना वो पढ़ेंगे नहीं बढ़िया से तो वो क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाएंगे।
That was your line. Speak up.
If we do not study properly, then he also not qualified in the exam.
And also not get for the job.
निकल पड़ेगा।
Ma'am, if anyone are passionate about this gaining knowledge on MBA experiences, then after BBA, they can pursue their job for 6 months, for 1 year. Then after they can pursue MBA. Then this will more help a lot to taking admission in a very successful B schools.
They also get experience in this time. So
Between their works and the study.
yes, sir. Yes.
I want participation. And it got that Priya also. She is also participating in this. Ask Sunil.
What's your opinion, Ria?
Yes, Sumit,
What's your opinion, Ria?
please pardon your question.
Ankit said after BBA, we can take some times for 6 months and we can experience and we can then we can go through MBA. What's your point of view on this?
I am agree with Ankit
statement.
because qualification and experience is both are right in to
On their places.
yes.
Are you at the same point?
Yes.
Or both go and not? I think you got that.
You're saying that both are equally beneficial for our life.
Yes, in some time.
In some time. Okay.
Mm.
Why in sometimes we always believe for 16 years we can experience we can experience these things. Why we experience these things in some time.
So Steve, don't you want to say something?
What are you saying, Ankit? In previous second,
What? Pardon, please.
you said after BBA you go for MBA college and you prefer experience qualification.
No, after BBA, I choose, I want to take a job. Then after I go for an MBA.
Listen. Okay, then MBA complete. When you completed with your MBA, then what will you do?
Then
When
again,
you
I
have not
take a job.
experience in any field, then
What?
when you not have any experience about after MBA, then what will you do?
But firstly you get qualified, then you get experience.
She wants to say that
Says
Actually, ma'am, I have a question for that person who sit in the class. I want to know that the person who is support of experience, how could you say that the qualification is not important for the experience?
We are not saying the qualification is not important for.
But the some student are sitting in the class, they are in support of experience, not in the qualification.
We
Why you
all are
could
in
say
the
that-
both in favor.
Well, not all the
Not
students
saying
are
that
both
we
in
are
favor.
only
Some students are sitting in class in the favor of experience, as ma'am said.
Hello, Durgesh. We all the boys are in the favor of qualification. You can say it.
But in this modern era, in this management era, both qualifications and experience are matter. Because for higher education, if you got the job in higher multinational companies, not in India, in the abroad, not only just not only just experience are needed, qualification are also needed. Because after MBA graduate, you become MBA in IIM and lots of multinational B schools, not only in India and abroad. You just complete your MBA with qualifications, which just complete your MBA with experience that you are placed in multinational companies. So I think qualification and experience are both are required in India, or not only in India and abroad, to just place in the good companies. So I think qualification and experience are both are most parallel. If you support qualification, we cannot deny the qualification is not important, and we cannot deny the experience is not important. Both qualification and experience are important, but we can't deny the qualification but we can't deny that only experience are required, not qualification required, and only qualification are required, not experience are required. Both are moving to parallel to each other. A good qualified person become a good experienced person, and only a good qualified experienced person, every good experienced person are a good qualified person. So I think qualification and experience are both are parallel. So I want to know that both the student are sitting in the class, they are supporting experience. How could you say that the qualification is not important?
So the conclusion is that qualification and experience both should be considered as a parallel. Because if you have a higher qualification and lesser amount of experience, then we can see that lot of salaries difference between them.
And struggles in life. And we can say that if we don't have as qualification and have also a experience, we can don't go through a job and in the company, because they recruit based on the qualification and experience as well as experience.
Okay,
Also.
let me clear this in an easy manner. If you are doing MBA, if you are carrying out your BBA, and after that someone is taking out the admission in the MBA, then after what do you do job? So what do you think? What will you salary as a fresher? And similarly on the other hand, we have one student who after BBA they gain experience in some company, and after that they carry an MBA. So what will be the salary of that?
That time there is this work.
So that's the difference between experience and qualification. I'm not saying that qualification does not matter. Both should be considered as parallel.